A coin is tossed once. What is the probability of heads? Answer is 1/2. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling one? Answer is 1/6. 11x equals 209. X equals? Answer is 19. Find the range. 48, 26, 73, 70, 56? Answer is 47. Find the range. 5, 8, 65, 22, 50? Answer is 60. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling an even number? Answer is 1/2. Find the median. 43, 18, 26, 40, 45? Answer is 40. X minus 9 equals 52. X equals? Answer is 61. Find the mean. 15, 12, 6, 23? Answer is 14. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling 6? Answer is 1/6. Find the median. 15, 21, 6, 20, 1? Answer is 15. Find the mode. 9, 15, 17, 28, 17? Answer is 17. Find the mean. 6, 29, 12, 21? Answer is 17. X minus 2 equals 53. X equals? Answer is 55. X plus 16 equals 65. X equals? Answer is 49.